Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to turn on mobile data and mobile calls together. Friends, if you call to someone and on the time, if your data is turned on your mobile, you can't access on that time, right? But from today, you can access mobile data and calls together. Friends, as you can see on my mobile, there is mobile data is turned on, right? See, there is mobile data turned on. And now, if I call to someone, my mobile data will be off because I turn off that options. But if you want, you can turn on. See, my friends, my mobile data is turned off, right? Now, if I go to YouTube, I can't access. See, my friends, I can access, right? And it will be shown. And see, it is showing you are offline. That means I am offline, right? So how we can access mobile data and calls together? So friends, for this you have to do one thing. You have to go on settings of your Samsung phone. After that you have to go on connections. Then you have to go on mobile networks, and you see there is options both calls SIM 1 and both calls SIM 2, right? That means use LTE data networks for calls whenever possible, right? So my friends, if you have 2 SIM card, you can turn on 2, or if you have only 1 SIM card, if you turn on only one, it's enough for you. After turning on these options, you can go back to check. Now I'll check it is working or not. Still you can see my data is turned on. See my friends, right? Now I'll try to call someone, and on the time I'll try to access mobile data. See, still my mobile data is turned on, right? Now I'll go on YouTube and see what is going on. See my friends, I can access, right? I can access mobile data. So that means I can access mobile data and mobile calls at the same time on my mobile. So friends, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask me. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care.